What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is my favorite time of the year, summer. And today we're going to be diving into something that's going to make your pool maintenance so much easier. I've been testing out this RedKey S100 cordless robot pool cleaner, and I'm excited to share my honest thoughts, full review, and real world experience using this affordable pool cleaning robot. Whether you're tired of manually scrubbing your pool walls, or you're looking for a budget-friendly robotic option that is capable of cleaning your pool but won't break the bank, stick around because this just might be your next poolside purchase. Okay, so let's start off with what you get right out of the box. Of course, you get this RedKey S100 robot, which has a sleek, rounded design that is compact yet powerful looking. You'll also get a retrieval hook that you can use to connect to a pole to fish your bot out of the water, as well as a charging adapter, and then a user manual, and an easy to clean filter that is pre-installed in the robot itself. Basically, you get everything you need to get started. Now, one thing you'll notice as soon as you unpack the robot, and something that I really appreciate, is how RedKey kept it simple. Everything is completely plug and play, even if you've never used a pool robot before. It's definitely not as complicated to figure out as with all those new and more expensive robot pool bots. Now, setup for the most part was super easy. All you have to do is just plug it in to charge, connect and screw in the included handle and the robot fins, and then drop it in your pool and let it do its thing. There's no cables, there's no pairing, and there's no apps. Now, one thing to note, make sure to follow the manual's instruction to avoid improper charging because it could damage the robot. It charges fast in about 3 hours, and then you're good to go. Now, really quickly, let's talk about performance. And this is where the S100 really impressed me. It's got dual motors and dual water inlets, allowing it to glide through water to capture all types of debris. It's actually pretty fast once it starts up, and it can go on its own. From leaves and sand to small bugs, the RedKey handles everything in cleanup like a champ. Plus, in addition to that, it's also got great ability of 18 degrees, which means that it has the ability to climb your pool walls and slopes, giving you nearly full coverage of your pool. And thanks to its built-in path planning system, it doesn't just wander around aimlessly. It actually moves in a smart S pattern for optimized coverage. Now, when it comes to battery life on this pool bot, it is a huge win. This S100 can run for up to 2 hours on a single charge, and that was pretty accurate in all of my tests. I clocked mine at about 1 hour and 53 minutes on average on a full charge, but of course that may change for everyone based on the conditions and different usage in different scenarios. It uses a high capacity battery, and charging it was quick and easy, again completing a full charge within 3 hours. Now, maintenance is also refreshingly easy. All you have to do is just pop the top off, open and remove the filter compartment, rinse it, and you're good to go. No special tools or replacement bags are needed. Everything the robot picks up is collected in the base reservoir of the robot itself, and then it can just be tossed out easily. This simple cleanup process makes it a realistic tool for daily or weekly use. Okay, so now that we've talked about this robot's capabilities and we've seen it in action in some of my videos, let's break down some of the pros and some of the cons that I've collected since getting this robot. Starting with the pros. First off, you've got a robot with a cordless design, which means ultimate freedom. Second, you've got smart navigation and great wall climbing capabilities. Third, you've got a fairly long battery life. And then fourth, it's easy to clean and easy to maintain. And then overall, it's super quiet, and as you can see from its size, it is compact. Now, some of the cons, there's no app or remote control features, so there's no remote monitoring or control of the robot itself. And then because of its size and of course the little battery life, it's not ideal for very large or very deep pools. But it is good enough for personal backyard pools. And then it can only perform floor and slope cleaning. The robot can't traverse full 90-degree vertical walls, so it can't go up the walls. So if you're expecting full vertical wall scrubbing, this might fall short. But for most home pools, it's more than enough. So after about 2 weeks of using this RedKey S100, here is my overall feedback. It's definitely not a robot that's trying to be a $1,000 premium robot. Instead, it's aiming for smart, cordless convenience at a price that makes sense. Which means if you've been looking for a reliable, low-maintenance robot pool cleaner to take the manual work out of your pool care routine and simply just works and also cleans your pool, the RedKey S100 is absolutely worth considering. Anyways, I know this was a short video, but thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Now, if you're looking for an affordable robot like this, you can use my link and discount code in the description section below to order one for yourself. Please also drop your questions or even your experience with the S100 in the comments section below. It's midsummer here in Texas, so this robot will be working full-time in my pool. Let me know if there are any other affordable pool robots that you can think of that I should try. Until the next video, see ya.